So real quick, we're going to show you how to use these Cobra anchors to anchor my pergola feet. 1/4 inch by 2 1/4. I have a 1/4 inch drill set to about 1.8 inches for the hole, including the tip. If you follow the instructions here exactly, it's a no-brainer. And I'll show you how to do that in a sec. Got my drill depth set. Let's drill a couple holes. If you hit something hard, that might be the rebar, and you might want to rethink how you're doing stuff. Now we're going to make this dust get out of the hole. So you got those where you need them. Put your washer on, put the nut on. You're not hitting the top of the nut. You need to hit the top of the bolt. So go 1/8 inch below. Now you don't need a calipers, but I'm just being finicky. Yeah. Just to show you. And then tap that. You're gonna wreck the threads on top of here, but you won't wreck the threads on the nut, which is the mistake I think everybody's making. Seven 16ths. Let's crank it tight. The bolt's gonna rise a little bit as it's tightening and expanding in the hole. If you have too long of bolts, too much of this sticking out when you're done, just cut it off with an angle grinder. Easy peasy. Another reason for that 1/8 inch set, so you know where to stop it. Good luck. So I think a few people here are having some issues with wrecking the threads. You're not hitting the nut. You put the nut on, you're gonna damage the threads, but you'll also damage the threads on the nut if you don't screw that down about 1/8 inch below and then tap. You won't be able to back it back off again, but you're not going to damage the threads on the nut. Worked fine for me. And I think that's the missing step people aren't getting. 1/8 inch from the top of here to the nut, and then hammer the bolt.